Hello and welcome back to our channel, UnRavel Talks. Did you know that the largest trash site in the world is in the Pacific Ocean, called the Great Pacific Garbage Patch? The trash there outnumbers sea life 6 to 1. And that's why today we're diving into a critical issue plaguing our oceans: pollution. As we navigate the depths of the ocean pollution crisis, let's uncover the innovative solutions that are surfacing to combat this pressing challenge head-on. Amidst the use of cutting-edge technologies and the introduction of grassroots initiatives, a wave of innovation is sweeping across the seas, offering hope for a cleaner, healthier future. At the forefront of this battle are autonomous drones, revolutionizing the way we combat marine debris. Developed by organizations such as Ocean Voyages Institute and the Ocean Cleanup, these high-tech marvels traverse vast stretches of ocean, autonomously detecting and collecting floating plastic waste. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and using artificial intelligence, these drones are like guardians of the seas. They patrol the ocean's surface, scanning for any signs of plastic pollution. Using advanced image recognition technology, they can identify and differentiate between various types of debris, from large plastic bottles to tiny microplastics. Now, what's truly remarkable about these drones is their autonomy in operating for extended periods without human intervention. They also play a vital role in data collection and analysis. They gather valuable information about the distribution and concentration of plastic waste in different ocean regions, providing researchers and policymakers with crucial insights into the scope and impact of marine pollution. With their ability to cover vast distances and access remote areas, these drones complement traditional cleanup efforts. The plastic bank is another such initiative, but it's not just about cleaning up plastic waste, it's about creating a sustainable and inclusive solution. It utilizes blockchain technology to revolutionize waste management. Blockchain technology is a decentralized and distributed ledger system used to record transactions across multiple computers in a way that is secure, transparent, and tamper-proof. In the context of waste collection, blockchain enables transparent tracking and monitoring of waste collection efforts. The Plastic Bank incentivizes waste collection by offering blockchain-based tokens to individuals, which can be exchanged for goods, services, or even cash, providing an additional source of income for people in need. The Plastic Bank addresses both environmental and socio-economic challenges, creating opportunities for economic growth and social development in vulnerable regions. Meanwhile, innovative waste capturing devices like the Seabin, developed by the Seabin Project, intercept trash closer to shorelines and in busy harbors and marinas. Now, these floating trash collectors act as guardians of coastal waters, skimming the surface and capturing everything from plastic bottles to microplastics, preventing them from entering the open sea. Additionally, the utilization of biodegradable materials in packaging and consumer products is gaining traction as a sustainable solution to reduce ocean pollution at its source. Companies are increasingly adopting eco-friendly alternatives to traditional plastics, thereby minimizing their environmental impact and contributing to the health of our oceans. However, improper management of waste can lead to even these alternatives finding their way into the oceans. WasteShark is another initiative that patrols waterways to collect marine waste plastics. Shaped like a small aquatic vessel, the WasteShark navigates rivers, canals, and ports, devouring floating debris. Equipped with sensors and cameras, the WasteShark not only collects waste, but also gathers valuable data on pollution hotspots and debris composition. Now, this data is then analyzed to inform targeted cleanup efforts and policy decisions, maximizing the impact of waste removal initiatives. Adding to the arsenal of innovative solutions is the Great Bubble Barrier, a technology designed to intercept plastic waste before it reaches the ocean. Installed across riverbeds, this barrier releases a curtain of air bubbles that catch plastic over the full width and depth of rivers, preventing it from flowing downstream. Using these innovations in technology, we can make significant strides in combating ocean pollution and preserving the health of marine ecosystems. However, the battle against ocean waste isn't just about technology, it's also about grassroots efforts and community-driven initiatives. From beach cleanups organized by local communities to global movements like World Cleanup Day, ordinary people are coming together to make a difference, one piece of litter at a time. Moreover, education and advocacy play crucial roles in raising awareness and driving change. Organizations like Surfrider Foundation and Plastic Pollution Coalition are leading the charge, mobilizing individuals and governments alike to take meaningful action against ocean pollution. Now remember, every small action counts, just like every piece of plastic collected contributes to a cleaner, healthier ocean. And as always, if you have found this information interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Join the movement to protect our oceans. Together, let's make a splash in the fight against ocean pollution.